Wag mong dilaan yan. Ay, sus. Bianca! Bianca! Malaglag ka dyan. Sige. Tingnan mo yung kapatid mo, Paula. Tingnan mo. Paula, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Alika, dito kayo. Baka malaglag sa, ano, where's the fish? Where's the fish, Bianca? Count the fish. Ay.
There's two. Count how many fish there are in the tank. When you're ready, she thinks that there's two fish in the tank. She only counts five. There's a fishy.
Ayun na yung fish. Ayun! Tinuturo niya yung fish eh. Where's the fish? Oh, ayun! Ayun ang fish.
It's a fishy. It's a fishy. Where's